Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the newest leaks and details surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, slated to debut at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. Design. Let's begin with the design. Based on leaked dummy units, both phones retain their iconic appearances with notable updates. The Z Fold 6 adopts a sleek, boxier design, akin to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring squared corners and a triple-camera setup. Meanwhile, the Z Flip 6 maintains its signature flip design, showcasing rounded corners and a dual-camera setup. Screen and build. Despite similarities to their predecessors, these models promise advancements in screen crease visibility. Both phones are expected to be thinner and lighter, enhancing overall usability and portability. Specifications. Moving on to specifications, leaks suggest both phones will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The Z Flip 6 will offer configurations with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, while the Z Fold 6 could offer up to 1TB of storage and 12GB of RAM. They'll operate on Android 14-based One UI 6.0, featuring enhanced Galaxy AI capabilities. Cameras and battery. In terms of cameras, anticipate impressive setups. The Z Flip 6 features a 50MP main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, while the Z Fold 6 might boast a 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens for enhanced zoom capabilities. Both phones are equipped with robust batteries supporting fast and wireless charging options. Outro. That concludes our preview of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. Stay tuned for our comprehensive coverage of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things Future Phone Flash.